I have seen videos coming from Congo, but I would say that the Congo issue is beyond what the eye meets. It has nothing to do with the whole history about the M23. All those are excuses being used by the thieves who are interested in the minerals. The whole concept is about the minerals, so you have to understand the thief's point of view. It has nothing to do with your theories of tradition, who the M23 are. All someone is after are the minerals. The issue of bringing in Rwanda, I believe someone is planting this information. The guns, the conflicts, all this information we are hearing from the media, from the European Union, they are all pointing to Rwanda, they are pointing to Uganda. All that information you're hearing is being planted by someone, and I believe this person could be an external factor. This person could be an external factor in that they don't want their name to be mentioned, but they're the actual funders of this conflict. So what am I saying? That most of the information that we are running on is planted information to keep us pointing fingers at each other. They are Congolese, they are from Rwanda, but they are from Congo, they are from Rwanda, it is you doing this. All that information you see where you see our presidents are pointing at each other, because this is East Africa. Congo is part of us, we can't refuse. We are not going to keep quiet when you are seeing people who are part of us are burning our embassies. Congo is part of East Africa. Rwanda is part of East Africa. You are part of us. Okay? Now I want to be sincere with you. The person behind it is an external factor. All the information that you're pointing at yourselves is being planted. But how can you catch a thief who is stealing from you and is making you point at each other? Forget all that history of M23. It no longer makes sense. The whole target that people are after are the minerals in Congo. That is all they are after, not your history, not fighting for your children, not what they are after, the minerals. Get focused here. For anyone to be able to do what they are doing, they have to have the funds, enough money to do that. Secondly, they have to have someone inside Congo, amongst the Congolese, to do that. So I believe for whatever is happening in Congo, one, it is being led by Congolese. Two, it is being funded by an external factor whose name doesn't want to come close to the conflicts in Congo. That person exists. I don't know how they are wiring the money, I don't know how they are funding, but they are very careful that they are not caught. Hence, you find Africans from South Africa pointing at themselves, you find people from Rwanda pointing at themselves, you find people in Uganda pointing at themselves, you find Congolese pointing at themselves. But know that the person leading this in Congo is from Congo. Secondly, the person fueling this conflict is an external factor and might even be amongst those 5 top richest countries. So you're fighting something that you cannot stop. The information that is running in the European Union, the information that is running all over is being planted so that this conflict continues. That even when you solve it with M23, another one will come up. I promise you, it is not going to, they are not planning to stop it. That even the one of M23 comes to an end. That funder who is silent, who doesn't want their name to be mentioned, that is the main beneficiary of this conflict, will start another one using your same Congolese. Just know that this person is going to continue using your Congolese. They will plant information to make you think it's Uganda. They will plant information to make you think it is Rwanda. They will plant conflicts among South Africa and Rwanda. Africans, we are not supposed to be fighting ourselves because these minerals are ours. They are ours, Africans. They are in Congo. We have them in Uganda. We have the oil. These minerals are ours. The person who is making us fight is an external factor. That's the main beneficiary of all this.